To customize the lock screen clock in Oppo Reno 15 5G, first of all you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate down and select home screen, lock screen and style. Then we can click right here on the tile that is currently in use. Now we can select our clock on the top, and that way first thing you can change is a widget on the top. You can remove it by selecting none or add it with the weather and temperature, and also steps. Next is the clock and notification style, so you can change how the clock will appear with the hour on the top and minutes on the bottom, and then the date on the top. You can also do this and this, so choose whichever option you like. Then we have the actual font style for the clock. You can also switch between different options, for example this one. We can change the thickness of the font for the clock, and lastly we can change the color for it. And finally, when you're ready, click on apply. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.